Today we're going to be looking at a valve, we call it the Quont valve, which is used in a couple of cisterns in Australia. The models that use them are Caroma, Novelli and a few others. It's a pretty straightforward valve, there's not too much to it. This should be locked into your cistern and screwed underneath. So when you look down into your cistern, what you'll see is this top part. When this lines up with this, they will just pop off. Voila. It's just a case of turning it and then you can turn it around. Now if you take that off, when you've taken the top off, this is your overflow tube. So if you have water flowing over here, it probably means that your inlet valve is having problems. The water should stop around 20 to 25 mils below the top of the overflow so that the water isn't flowing down. So when you get the new valve, you split them apart, take the new top and put that into your old basket, which should be in good condition. They don't go wrong much. Now on here, you've got a couple of adjustments. We have the half, it's written up here, I don't know if you can see that. Half there is adjusted by this, and the full flush, again, do it on there, full, that's adjusted on here. Now to adjust these is fairly simple. You have a little red tag that just needs to spin around. At the moment that's locked in, but when we spin it, that becomes unlocked, and this will now move up or down. Once you have it in the position you want, then you turn it again to lock it back in. This way to pull it in, and this way to unlock it. And your finger should do that. That's unlocked. You can adjust that and then lock it in. Same with the other side. And just twist it in. That's locked. You twist it back out. Unlocked. That's locked. Unlocked. Locked. Okay. On the top, the white button is the full flush, grey button is a half flush. There's actually side parts for a bridge to go on here. If you have a bridge on your own original valve, you can save that and use it. We don't supply a bridge with these because the buttons usually just press down without needing the bridge. Other than that, there's not too much to say on these. That's fairly straightforward. I'll put links in the description and you'll be able to get through to our site, Toilet Spares, which got all the other things that you might need on there for your toilet repairs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the channel. See you then.